Course messages are private and secure text-based communication that occur within your course among course members. Although similar to email, you must be logged into a course to read and send course messages. Messages activity remains inside the system, and you don't have to worry about email addresses that may be incorrect or outdated. To view the messages for the course you're in, select the Course Messages link on the course menu. You can also access course messages through the Course Tools page. Instructors can determine which links appear and which tools are available on the Course Tools page. For this tutorial, we will select the Course Messages option. In Course Messages, you have two standard folders, Inbox and Sent. If allowed by your institution, you can create personal folders to help organize your course messages. To begin composing a message, select Create Message. On the Compose Message page, select To. A list of all course members appears. In the first box, select the recipients and then select the right pointing arrow to move them to the recipients box. Next, type a subject for your message and use the options in the editor to format the text of your message. If your institution allows, you can attach files from your computer using the Add Content option. When you are ready to send your message, select Submit. When you receive new messages, you will receive a notification on the Global Navigation page in Blackboard. The number of new messages displayed represents the cumulative total across all of your courses in Blackboard, past and present. Click on the Messages option to display a list of your courses. As you scroll through your courses, those with unread messages will list the number of unread messages under the course ID. If you would like to create a new message for that course, simply click the plus sign to the far right of the course name and ID. This will open a new message page, allowing you to compose your message. To view the unread messages within that course, click on the name of the course. You will be directed to the Course Messages area, where you can then view your inbox. When viewing a message, you have the option to reply, forward, or delete the message. As indicated at the beginning of this tutorial, course messages are private and secure text-based communication that occur within your course among course members. This makes the Course Messages option the ideal choice for communication with your students, since the messages are stored securely within Blackboard, allowing the instructor to reference or retrieve any messages should the need arise.